There is one thing you can change directly in the editor. When you have the option to upload a logo to the inner label, you will see a few color options for dark, bright, and light colors. These are for different color groups. To start the inner label, click on it. Then you have some templates to choose from that include product care, detailed, and product size. There is also space for your logo. Not all products have an inner label, but for those that do, you can follow the same steps. When you upload a logo to one color group, you need to upload a different logo or the same one to the others. You can click on each color group and upload a different logo for each, or you can click on the color you already uploaded and apply it to all the colors in the group by clicking on the copy design. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.